Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'll be making Jamaican curry chicken. Stay tuned.
She's cooking some good food right now, yo. Her food is not good.
Hey guys, today I'm making Jamaican curry chicken. I love this dish, guys, and I know it's one of you guys' favorite Jamaican dishes. So guys, here you have it. I have my cut up whole chicken, about 4.5 pounds. I washed it with vinegar. That's something that is very important. You definitely want to wash your meat. So I cut up my chicken. And then I have my onions, my green onions, my garlic, my thyme. I have my black pepper powdered seasoning, adobo. Guys, Creole seasoning is amazing. It's one of my favorite seasonings. I put it in almost everything I make. Got my complete seasoning, Jamaican curry powder, and I got my garlic powder. So guys, first thing first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season my chicken. And guys, if you can let this marinate overnight, that would be awesome. I don't have too much time to make this because I want to make this today. So I'm gonna season this and I'm gonna marinate it for about an hour. All right, guys? All right, guys, here you have it. I'm just rubbing everything in together after I season it. Okay. And I'll put all the ingredients below, like the measurements and everything. And this is pretty much what you gotta do. Just rub it in. And like I said, I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour and then come back and I'll check it. But you definitely wanna get all that curry in on your chicken. Okay. Make sure it's well seasoned. And guys, you don't have to let it marinate. I just like to let it marinate because I feel like the powder and all the seasoning can really get into your meat. Just like any other food that you make, it's always good to marinate it. Okay, so just keep rubbing it in until you feel like it's all done and the chicken take off the powder and stuff like that. All right, guys, so I'll be back in an hour and then we're gonna get started. All right, guys, so right now I'm pretty much just burning my curry to ensure that's going to be well cooked. As you guys know, curry is not something that you take lightly, so you definitely want to start by burning the curry. I did go ahead and put about 1 tablespoon of curry powder and about 2.5 tablespoons of my coconut oil, but you can use whatever oil you choose. All right, guys, I wasn't able to marinate it for 1 hour. I did about 20 minutes, so here I am just adding the chicken to the pot. All right, guys, so I got my stove on medium heat so my chicken can cook thoroughly. So what I'm doing now is just adding my chicken, all of my ingredients, all my seasonings, everything that I just cut up, guys. I'm pretty much just adding it all to this pot. Wow, look at that. Looks really good. Oh my gosh, guys, this is one of my favorite dishes. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Just pretty much added everything to the pot. Now I'm just turning it. So you want to stir it a little bit in the pot. Flip it over on the next side, just for right now. And guys, as I'm doing that, guys, I'm just going to let this cook down for about 30 minutes after I'm done. And in the next 30 minutes, guys, we're going to check on it, see if we need to add water. Sometimes we need to add water, sometimes we don't. It just depends on if you like a lot of gravy in your food or not. Hubby loves gravy in his food, so I try to make sure I have plenty of gravy. Okay? Because sometimes the pot can dry out as well. All right, guys, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Make sure to cover your pot too so it can simmer down. All right, guys, this is after 30 minutes of being in the pot. So this is what it is. So what I'm going to do now, just, flip your chicken, make sure it's cooking properly. As you can see, the chicken made lots of gravy. So I'm definitely going to cook it for a few more minutes though, guys, at least another 40 minutes or so. I'm actually preparing my potatoes because I'm going to put my potatoes in. So that will be in shortly. But I wanted to keep making some more gravy. But this looks good to me. I'm going to let it simmer for another, let's see, turn this over. Turn that piece, turn this piece. See? chicken is cooking good. And like I said, guys, you definitely want to cook your chicken good. This is something that needs to be cooked properly for this curry. So I'll cook it for another maybe 30 minutes or so, guys. Honestly, you want it to be like that, cooked properly. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my potatoes ready. Look at it, guys. Doesn't that look so amazing? Yummy. Let's see. Yep. All right, guys. So I'll be back in a few. Let me go get the potatoes ready. All right, guys. This is the pot. I'm actually gonna add a cube of maggi bouillon. All right. I'm gonna add that just for extra flavor. My chicken is almost done, guys. Just add it in the pot for some extra flavor. Definitely want to taste your pot as you go along too, you know what I mean? Taste your pot to know if you have the right amount of stuff. So here I have my potatoes. I'm just gonna add the potatoes. I'm just adding the potatoes at this point. And the potatoes really shouldn't take that long. This is just the final process for everything to be finalized. So what the potato is gonna do is kind of give it some thickness too. You know how potato thickens gravy. So that's what the potato is gonna do. Just kind of get them in so that they can cook down. So I got that. Okay, guys, I got my potatoes in. All right. I don't want the potatoes to be in the gravy. And then I'm gonna cover it again for another 15 minutes. And then I'll be all done. As you can see, I'm almost done with my chicken. Looking real good, guys. Real good. All right, guys, it is time to take it all out. Let's check on the potatoes. Let's see. I'm just checking the potatoes, guys, to see if they're all done. As you can see, still a little bit. Well, some of it. Almost done, guys. I'm gonna say about another 5 minutes or so. We should be all set. Yep, my potatoes are pretty much getting soft except for a couple. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it for another 5 minutes. Let me taste it too. You also want to taste your gravy, make sure everything is good and nothing doesn't need to be added. So I'm gonna go ahead. Perfect, guys. Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes and show you guys the finished product. All right, guys, here you have it. Jamaican curry chicken. Yummy, yummy, yummy with potatoes. There you have it, guys. Jamaican curry chicken. Yum. Can't wait to have this with my rice and my plantains. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And let us know what else you want us to cook, okay?
She's cooking some good food right now, yo. Her food is not good.
Thank you, baby. Love you.
Love you too. Bye, guys.